Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Today, we live in a world where communication is no longer limited by borders, distance, or time. The remarkable transformation is largely due to globalization and rapid evolution of the internet. As we explore the concept of local communication, we begin to understand how global ideas and local cultures constantly interact, influence one another, and shape our everyday lives. Globalization, as history tells us, began to take form as early as 18th century. During this period, nations such as the British Empire introduced groundbreaking technologies, the steam engine, industrial weaving machines, and advanced systems of transportations like steamships and trains. Their innovation allowed goods, ideas, and cultural products to travel across countries faster than ever before. As a result, markets expanded, industries grew, and people became more connected. However, what we experience today in the 21st century is far more complex and dynamic from a globalization, one driven less by machines and factories and more by information. Digital platforms and instantaneous communication, unlike in the past, when tangible goods, when the main driver of the information exchange. Today is the flow of knowledge, image, message, and digital content that shapes global interactions. This is where communication becomes essential. Local communication refers to blending of global and local influences. It is the process of which global ideas and adapted local cultures while local voices gain visibility on the normal stage. And the most powerful instrument behind this phenomenon is the internet. Through social media, memes, online videos, and digital conversations, people across the world participate in a shared digital culture. Yet, at the same time, they express their local identity, humor, traditions, and perspective. For example, a meme trend may start in one country but quickly evolve as it circulates globally in culture but quickly evolves as a circulate globally. Each culture adding its own twist, language, or meaning. This creates a unique exchange where the global becomes local and the local becomes global. The internet also democratized participants in the past. International communication was dominated by large institutions, multinational companies, or powerful nations. Today, anyone with a smartphone can contribute to global conversations. Students, small business, local communication activists, and creators all have the opportunity to share their stories and influence the world. Yet, alongside these opportunities come challenges. The speed and openness of digital communication can lead misinformation, cultural misunderstanding, and equal access to technology. And that's all.